In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Office to latest version. Keeping Office up to date gives you the newest features, security fixes, and performance improvements, and the process is quick. Start by opening any Office app you like. Word, Excel, or PowerPoint all work the same way. It doesn't matter which one you choose, the update setting is shared across the suite. Once the app is open, look to the very top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage view where you find settings and account information. On the left sidebar, select Account. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Office Account, and that's fine, it's the same place. On the right side of this page, you'll see the product information area. Here, locate the Update Options button. It may appear as a drop-down menu next to Office Updates. Before you run an update, make sure updates are enabled. Click Enable Updates if you see that option. If it's already turned on, the button may be grayed out or say Updates are enabled, which means you're good to go. With updates enabled, click Update Now. Office will immediately check online for the latest version and begin downloading and installing anything that's available. While this runs, you can usually keep working, but it's smart to save your documents first, just in case you're asked to close the apps briefly. You might notice a small progress window letting you know that updates are being applied. If your device is already current, you'll see a message confirming you're up to date. That's the entire process. Open an Office app, go to File, choose Account or Office Account, find Update options, enable updates if needed, and then select Update Now. From there, Office handles everything automatically and keeps you on the latest release. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. A reliable internet connection helps updates download faster, and if you're on a managed work or school computer, some options may be controlled by your organization. In that case, you may not be able to change the setting yourself, but the steps are still the same when updates are available. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.